Hello friends, my name is Ramatsu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the project options in MS Project software. Friend, MS Project is a very popular and a very renowned software of Microsoft, and it is used for managing and making a project plan in MS Project. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Basically, friend, project option used in MS Project for using different option, general options or general information option for the project plan. Let me show you here. For example, you have to click on file and click here on the option. So here you can see the project options. Now you can see that there are different options, different multiple options are available. So first we shall discuss the general information. For example, it is showing you the color scheme as silver. So if you want to change it, just click here on the black option and click OK. So you will see that the option, the color scheme of the project will be changed. I have to go back again, and then I will revert back it to the silver, so it will be changed again to the silver. Now the other option is, for example, screen, the style, basically tip style will be shown. Right now, friend, whenever we mouse over on the option, it will show you the different tips. Like for example, if I basically, let me show you here from here. Like if I mouse over here on the option, it is showing me the option, it is showing me the tips. Okay, if like that. So whenever I mouse over on the option, it is showing me the tips with the options. So if you don't want these tips, so what you can do, like here, you can go there, and if I select the option this, that don't show me the uh, features and the tips, if I click on that and then OK, so let me show you from here. Right now it is not showing me the detail tips here. Okay, like for example like that. Now if I click here on that and go back here and select the don't show me the screen tips, if I click OK here, so see, now it is showing don't, it is showing no tips whenever I'm hovering on the option, like that. If I just want to revert back the changes, I will go there and select the option, upper option, like that, and now you can see the tips and features details are coming. Now friend, the other options are, for example, like the default view of the project, it is that it is showing you the Gantt chart, date format, this is the date format, username information is there, initials are there. So this is the general information of the project. Next tab is of the display tab. Basically friend, it is showing you the calendar dates, calendar type which will be used, and the currency which will be used, and other indicators where it is showing it. So right now it is showing you the general display information related to the calendar type, related to the currency. Then the next one is the schedule. Schedule means friend that it is showing you that when you want to start a week. For example, it is showing you that the week will start from Sunday. Okay, the fiscal year, it is showing you the schedule. So many options are there. The most important option is here that the calculate project after each edit. That means friend, normally it should have to be on. Like whenever you change anything, like you change the dates, you add some tasks, so it will calculate the overall impact on the project. Okay, so this is a very very important point, important aspect is there. Next one is the proofing, that means change the project corrects and format. That means friend, basically it is showing you different option, like correct option, like For example, you don't want ignore the words in the uppercase, for example, so you can check, you can use this option, ignore words in the common numbers, for example. So you can change that if you need. So there are so many normal general options are available. Then the next one is the save. Save means that, for example, you want that the default location where the file will be saving, you can change the file location by click on the browse option. So whenever the file is saving, so it you can set the default location from here. Okay. Language. Language means, friend, for example, you can set the language in which you want to use the MS Project. Here in the drop down there are so many languages are available, you can use from here, and it's a very comfortable tool. Next, the advanced options are there. Advanced options for working with project, that means, for example, auto filter in the new project, planning wizards, general options are there, editing options are there, displaying options are there. So many options are there which you can use as per your requirement. Next one is the basically, friend, ribbon. A ribbon, basically, you can customize the ribbon. Here is the all available options and you can customize it. For example, you can use like that. If you click here and you can add it, if you can add it if it's required. So basically here is the options available, pool of options available, and you can customize it, you can add it here in the tab. Let me show you from here. Basically, friend, ribbon means that this particular area. Okay, so you can add the option or remove the option from there as per your need actually. Okay, so we were discussing ribbon here. So in the ribbon options you can customize the ribbon as per your need. Quick access toolbar, quick access to same functionalities there, like you can add multiple options, like for example cut is already there. For example, I don't want the cut in the quick access toolbar, so I can remove the cut option from here. When I click OK, so just see the quick access, this is the quick access toolbar area. So quick access toolbar cut option has been removed from there. Okay, are you getting my point? So this is the way actually. The add-ons means, friend, that the macros which will be added in the file, you can add it here. Trust Center basically means that Microsoft, this is the Trust Center, help keep you documents safe and your computer secure and healthy. This is the option, and then once you click on this setting, you can, like for example, this is the setting, you can get it. Normally it is disabled at macros with the notification. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.